me, it's chilly. Oi. Alright, let's fucking do this. Oh, policeman's. Something was rattling earlier. Ooh, it's a nice little sidecar. Maybe they're going to the same place I am. So it's been months and months and months since I've done one of these. I've been royally screwed over by my garage. They completely fucked up the end of year this summer for me, but no whinging. Well, if I put the camera back on after today's little trip, I might whinge, but anyway, today we are off to Farningham because it is Boxing Day. I hope everybody's had a very Merry Christmas and all that bollocks. And it's like a biker Boxing Day thing. I don't know why, it's just something I heard of. Everybody goes to Farningham with the smallest high street in the sodding world, and it's just swarmed with bikes. I went last year. Very, very, very good. I think the pub there is called the Pied Bull. And it is just flat out, the high street's a mile long and it's just gridlock with bikes parked up everywhere. So, flying solo, pardon me, on my way to Farningham on this lovely, crisp Boxing Day morning. I'm going to follow this guy because I really can't remember the way there. So what's happened since the last time I did a video? Well, not a lot. I missed a Distinguished Gentleman's Ride. That was a long time ago because the battery failed again. Fucking Harleys. It was brand new the day after I picked it up because the battery failed the day I picked this up. You know, whinge, whinge, whinge. Did the Ring of Red. That was good. Very good day out. I'm a little bit annoyed I was working that night. It's just because I had Darren, the parts guy from Lakeside. It's like, like lead rider. He's had a bit of a sausage on the way to the event at Lakeside Services. Would you mind leading the ride around? And I was like, oh my god, I just don't have that sort of time frame. I was working nights, goddammit. So I missed out on a fucking big one there, and then the video in general was just shite, so I never put anything up. But that would have been good. And then since then I just took the battery back out and haven't ridden it since. Been cold and wet, it's raining and cold and wet and raining, and being English generally. A little bit of the countryside. Yeah. Said before in multiple videos, I'm biased because I'm local, but Kent has the most gorgeous countrysides. Absolutely beautiful. It's so nice. I hope it comes out on the camera. Yeah, it's a little bit weird. I got a new tyre on the back, which was another fuck up from the dealership. 3 weeks to get a rear tyre for this bike. 3 weeks after they'd already had it for 2. But you know, I could keep on about that for ages, but cheery time. I've actually completely forgotten how noisy this bastard is. I'm going to need some aspirin when we land. Now we're in Farningham. Thank you, brother. Matt! That was one of the 1-3 boys. Lots of people. Very pretty. He's from Dartford. Looking big old trike. There's just bikes everywhere. That was that. Past the Pied Bull, see if we can find somewhere to park. Someone's driveway, that'll do me. Yeah, it's pretty close.